Welcome to CT tutorial. Hope everyone is fine. Today in this video we are going to learn SQL tutorial for SQL language. How the previous video. In this tutorial we will learn the SQL command. What is SQL command? SQL commands are instructions. It is used to communicate with the database. It also used to perform specific tasks, functions and queries of data. SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data to a table, drop the table, modify the table and set permission for users. Following are the commands in SQL to manipulate the data which we can store in our DBMS. DBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. We have in general 4 types of SQL command. The first one is data query language, which is DQL. The second one is data manipulation language, which is DML. The third one is data definition language, DDL. Data control language, which is DML. So we will learn about data query language, that is DQL. So under this data query language we have select command. So what is select? This SQL command we use to retrieve certain records from one or more table. We have multiple data query languages. We will learn about data query language in details in our next video. Next, move into the second part, data manipulation language, that is DML. Under the data manipulation language, I have highlighted 2-3 commands. The first one is insert, second one is update, third one is delete. So we use this command in SQL to create a record. So this is the job for insert, to insert the data into a table. We use this command in SQL to change certain records. Suppose you want to change some columns value, then you need to use the update command. Delete. The command is used to delete certain records. Basically, when you insert some wrong data or you want to delete some tables, delete some database, in that scenario you need to run the delete command. What is data definition language? DDL. So under data definition language there is multiple of commands. Highlighted only few which is normally we used mostly. The first one is create, the second one is alter, third one is drop. So we use this command to create a new table, a view of table or other objects in the database. Alter, this command is used to modify an existing database object such as a table. Drop, we use this command to delete an entire table, a view of a table or other object in the database. Fourth one is data control language, that is DCL. So under this I have highlighted only 2 commands. One is grant and the second one is revoke. We use this command to give a privilege to someone. And for revoke, this command is used to take back privileges granted to someone. So let me explain how grant and revoke works in real life. Suppose you are the database administrator and you want that everyone does not have access to your database. So in that scenario, you have the power to give or to grant access to the specific people. In that scenario, you need to write down the grant command. And suppose you think that you give grant access for some people and you don't want that those people will access your database again or in future, then you need to write down the revoke function. So that means you have taken back the privileges which you have granted earlier. So this SQL tutorial guides us about many SQL commands of structured query language. If you have any doubt in this SQL tutorial, ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, please press on the like button, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to get more updates related to SQL, Excel, automation, Excel VBA, Python, and many more new technologies.